I've been on the hunt for the best small greenhouse kits, and I've done the dirty work so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I bought and tested these products myself, and let me tell you, some really stand out, while others, well, not so much. Let's dive into my top 5 picks. Product number 1. Rowlife DIY Miniature Greenhouse Kit. When I first laid my hands on the Rowlife DIY Miniature Greenhouse Kit, I was immediately drawn in by its charming design. This isn't just a greenhouse, it's a miniature world that you get to build yourself. The dimensions are compact at 7.2 by 7.2 by 8.4 inches, making it perfect for a tabletop or a decorative shelf. As I started assembling it, I realized that every piece felt sturdy and well made, all without the need for any adhesive. The pre-colored furniture made the process simple and enjoyable, a perfect activity for a cozy evening or a weekend project. One of the standout features of this kit is its classic design, inspired by botanical aesthetics. The pointed arch structure adds an elegant touch, and once I added the tiny plants, it transformed into a captivating piece of decor. I placed it on my living room shelf, and it quickly became a conversation starter. There are several pros to this kit. It's a great gift for DIY craft lovers, and its compact size means it can fit into tight spaces. The details in the design, like the intricate plant arrangements, are impressive for such a small structure. However, it does have a few cons. For one, it's not intended for actual plant growth, so if you're looking for a greenhouse that can house real plants, this isn't it. Also, the assembly requires patience, especially for those not accustomed to DIY projects. So why buy the Rowlife Miniature Greenhouse Kit? If you're looking for a unique decorative piece or a thoughtful gift for someone who loves crafting, this is a fantastic choice. It's not just about the product, it's about the experience of creating something beautiful. Product number 2. 4-tier mini greenhouse by Home Complete. When I first set up the 4-tier mini greenhouse from Home Complete, I was blown away by how versatile it is. Measuring 27 by 19 by 63 inches, it's spacious enough to hold a variety of plants, yet compact enough for a small patio or balcony. The assembly was a breeze, no tools required, which is a huge plus if you're like me and want to avoid the hassle of complicated instructions. The robust alloy steel frame provided a solid foundation, and the PVC cover was thick enough to withstand the elements. The greenhouse features 4 sturdy shelves, each capable of holding up to 24 pounds. This means I could stack pots of herbs, flowers, and even some vegetables without worrying about weight limits. The zippered roll-up door was another great feature, allowing for easy access while providing protection against pests and frost. I loved how I could wheel it around. The locking wheels made it easy to move it into the sun or shade depending on the plant's needs. On the pros side, this greenhouse is incredibly practical for both indoor and outdoor use. It extends your growing season, allowing you to nurture plants that might otherwise struggle in your climate. However, it's not perfect. The PVC cover, while protective, can be prone to tearing if mishandled, so care is needed during setup and takedown. So why should you buy the 4-tier mini greenhouse? If you're serious about gardening but limited on space, this product strikes the perfect balance between functionality and portability. It's an investment in your gardening journey, enabling you to grow your favorite plants all year round, no matter the weather. Product number 3. Green Grow Greenhouse. The Green Grow Greenhouse caught my attention with its generous dimensions of 28 by 57 by 76 inches. This isn't just a greenhouse, it's a mini haven for plants. The first thing I noticed was the sturdy metal frame, which felt robust enough to stand up against strong winds. I appreciated the high-quality polyethylene cover, designed to withstand various weather conditions. Setting it up was straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly instructions that came with it. What truly impressed me was the regulated airflow and temperature control it offered. The screened windows are a thoughtful addition, allowing fresh air in while keeping pests out. I could finally relax, knowing my plants were shielded from winter chills and summer heat. I tested it out during a cold snap, and I was amazed at how well it maintained a warmer microclimate inside. With a weight capacity of up to 22 pounds per shelf, I could stock pots of different sizes without worry. On the flip side, while it's spacious, it does require a decent amount of space in your yard or garden. Additionally, finding a level piece of ground for the setup is crucial, otherwise it may not stand as sturdy as it should. So why should you consider the GreenGrow greenhouse? If you're serious about your plant collection and want a reliable, spacious option for year-round growth, this is the greenhouse for you. It's durable, easy to assemble, and provides an excellent environment for nurturing all your plants. Product number 4, BAMworld Mini Greenhouse. The BAMworld Mini Greenhouse quickly became one of my favorites due to its unique design and eco-friendly materials. Made from premium eucalyptus wood, it feels sturdy and looks aesthetically pleasing in any garden setting. The dimensions of 15 by 10 by 15 inches fit perfectly on my patio, and the 3-tier design maximizes space while allowing me to grow various plants. Setting it up was a snap, and the custom-designed connectors ensured it wouldn't wobble even on windy days. What sets this greenhouse apart is its winter-proof design. I live in an area with harsh winters, and I was pleasantly surprised at how well it protected my plants. The polyethylene cover effectively shielded my herbs and flowers from cold winds and heavy rain, creating a microclimate that helped them survive the winter months. I noticed my plants thrived, which is a testament to the greenhouse's effectiveness. While it has many advantages, there are a couple of downsides. The size is quite compact, which limits the number of plants I could grow at once. Additionally, the wood requires regular maintenance to prevent rot over time. So, why buy the BAMworld Mini Greenhouse? If you're looking for a stylish and functional greenhouse that can withstand the elements, this is a great choice. It's perfect for small spaces, provides excellent protection for your plants, and adds a touch of elegance to your garden. Product number 5, 2-tier mini greenhouse by Home Complete. The 2-tier mini greenhouse by Home Complete surprised me with its practicality and ease of use. At 27 by 19 by 37.5 inches, it's compact yet spacious enough to hold a variety of plants. Setting it up was incredibly straightforward. The powder-coated steel frame felt solid, and the PVC cover was both lightweight and effective. I was impressed by how well it protected my plants from extreme temperatures while still allowing plenty of sunlight to filter through. The tiered design allows for efficient organization of my herbs and flowers. I could easily reach every tier, making watering and maintenance a breeze. The roll-up zippered door was a fantastic feature, providing ventilation on warmer days and easy access for me to tend to my plants. However, I did find that the weight capacity of 11 pounds per shelf was a bit limiting, especially when using larger pots. On the downside, the PVC cover, while functional, may not be as durable over time compared to sturdier options. With regular exposure to the elements, it could wear out faster than expected. So why should you consider the 2-tier mini greenhouse? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-manage greenhouse that's perfect for small space gardening, this kit is a great option. It strikes a balance between functionality and affordability, making it an excellent choice for beginner gardeners or those looking to extend their growing season. In conclusion, whether you're looking for a decorative piece or a functional greenhouse to protect your plants, each of these kits has something unique to offer. Do your research, consider your gardening needs, and choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Happy gardening!